We're now in a typical connector drawing in AutoCAD Electrical. If we just zoom in on the title block there, you'll see it's just a point-to-point connector diagram. Now what this shows, I'll just double click on the wheel there to zoom extent, is all of the connectors in a circuit system. So you can see these blocks are your connector blocks where the wires actually connect, and you can see each of the terminals is numbered. So you can see that 112 is coming off of terminal 1, 114 is coming off of terminal 2, and so on. And each of these blocks obviously will have a name as well, and a brand normally, so the Molex is the brand there, and it tells you all of the information required, so there's the power receptacle and so on. So all of this information is very easy, but what's really nice again, you'll notice, look, if I hover in on that power receptacle, click on it once, right click, I've got all the information again. So I can go to Edit Component, and just like before, the Insert Edit Component comes up. It tells me that it's PW1, it's a power receptacle 1, and that's it. None of the other information's in there, but you can put in manufacturer, you can cross-reference the installation code if there is one, the location code, where it might be in the building or where it might be in the system. All of that information can go into the component details. So let's just zoom out now. The one thing I want you to notice with this drawing as I do a zoom extent is the use of colour. Very important. Now sometimes if I zoom in here on this connector, you can see, look, there's the components there's the connector itself and each of the terminals there, and it tells you what colour wiring is coming out of each connector. Now you can do it that way and label it like that. Or if I double click and zoom extent, you'll see that a lot of wires have actually got their own colour. Now I'm going to go to the Home tab here, up on the ribbon. I want you to watch the layers here, and especially the layer name. If I select this line here, it tells me that it's 16 AWG red. That is obviously a name of a layer that is used specifically for a particular connecting wire on this connector diagram. If I hit escape and select a different colour, 18 AWG green. So these are different callings for each type of wire that joins a specific connector to another connector. Now the good thing is you're utilising the AutoCAD layer system to basically break down which one's which. There's nothing worse than having everything, for example here, on layer 0. Look at all the different layers in there. They give you all of the information you need. So it tells you what all those layers, or in this case wiring, are. So you've got 20 AWG, ORG stands for orange, 20 AWG blue, grey, green. So the layers are giving you, in essence by colour, a description of the wiring in this particular connector diagram. So what you would do there with the layers is utilise those again to assign specific features to specific components and wiring in your AutoCAD electrical drawing.